Friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. So today I want to show you how you can make your window to the patio window. I'm gonna cut this wall, take that window off, and put the new frame and new patio door. So first, to start, you have to, with the utility knife, you have to cut around this window. From outside, as you see, it has a frame. You see that black frame? So we already took it off, so you just have to use the hammer and play bar like this. The next step, we have to take the glass off. As you see, we take this cover off. We take off all this, as you see. So now the time to take the glass off. Take the glass off, but unfortunately we broke the glass. So that sometimes happens. Just be careful when you're gonna take the glass off. You make sure we didn't have the heat gun, so we can make them around the corner, because they put the glue on the glass too. We can heat it up with the heat gun and it's come easy. I'm gonna take that base off. The way we did, we just cut it on the bottom, as you see, with the cutter, and use the piece of wood and hammer to take that off.
There you go. If you have to use it somewhere else,
We take the drywall out, and now we're gonna take this corner off. So before you take it up, you have to, if you want to have a nice cut, hold on, a nice cut, you have to cut it with the utility knife. You make the line to have a nice cut. We're gonna cut this all the way to the bottom, the both side. Just cut these two sides. We take the part, so now it's loose. We can take it off easy. So now we're gonna add another 2x4 on the top and secure it to the concrete. So just make sure you have the safety shoes on when you walk. Not like that, okay? We just finished the trim, as you see, and it's ready to put the patio door back. So we're gonna put the seal. We're gonna put the tape here, so to cover the moisture, and we add the silicone. So we add the aluminum foam is especially for the window, and add all the way. So we put the tape all around the frame, as you see. So we're gonna fill this gap with the foam. Put the patio door on. So the way you want to install the patio door, first you have to put the top part, slide it in, and gently put the bottom one, slide it inside. Just put one screw here and one the other side to hold the patio door, and after that we have to go inside to level it. To level the door, when you put your level on the door, and to make sure your door is level. After if it's not level, you add the shim on the door until you make your door level. Put the hammer and put the screw. So my my door actually was pretty level because my frame was level already. So make sure you level vertical and horizontal, and after when you level, you install your sliding door. Very easy. After you finish installing your sliding door, you go outside and start putting the nails. You see, I put the nails to the flange and all the way around it. I'm gonna make the part 2 video to show you how to put the trim around it and how to put the trim inside.